The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Perry County in south-central Indiana, north-central Hancock County and central Kentucky until 8:45 p.m. At 8:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Tell City, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Perry and north-central Hancock counties, including the following locations: Petrie, Candleton, Ranger, Adair, Fenhaven, and Troy. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following county: Perry, Indiana, and Hancock, Kentucky.